Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you're tired of scrolling through YouTube Shorts and wish you could go back to using YouTube just for regular videos, you're not alone. Shorts are YouTube's version of TikTok style clips. They play quickly, loop endlessly, and can easily become a distraction. The good news, there are few tricks you can use to reduce or even disable YouTube Shorts on your phone or browser. So let's go step by step. First, update the YouTube app. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search for YouTube, and tap Update if available. Second, use the Not Interested option. Open the YouTube, go to the Shorts section, and then tap and hold onto the screen, and then select Not Interested or Don't Recommend to reduce Shorts. Third step is to switch to desktop mode. If you use YouTube on a browser, go to youtube.com. Shorts won't autoplay as heavily as on the app. Step 4. Use YouTube Vanced or Revanced. This is for Android only. Go to your Play Store and search for YouTube Vanced. These modified versions let you completely disable Shorts. Install carefully from trusted sources only. And fifth step is to downgrade YouTube app. If Shorts are too distracting, uninstall updates and use an older version of YouTube that does not have Shorts. And that's it. These steps will help you limit or disable YouTube Shorts so you can focus more on content you really enjoy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.